So as you can see, it is a very, very like rough draft. Like, what the heck? But this is just sketching, and it's just to get like something on the page, so you can get that what's it called? Blank canvas anxiety out. I don't really have that, but it's just to get something out there. And the next step is to sketch it again, but this time really like define whatever it is we're sketching. So you sketch once to get it like a loose sketch. You sketch a second time to really make everything look right. Then you do the line art, and then you start coloring. That's my process. People can do it differently. I don't know. I don't care. Okay, so I have lined, and I made his eyes blue, and did the white outline. I do it by hand, so it is a little wonky in certain areas, or like uneven in certain stuff. I don't care. I should care, but I don't. I like, it's like a homemade look, essentially. Sometimes I go back to fix it so that it's a little more space between the picture and the white. But yeah, so this is what I did last night. Also, I made a cute background. You have those little triangles that they use for the grass. And of course, the little logo. Now we can start coloring. And the issue is I want the colors to be accurate. So what I'm going to do is pull up Pinterest. Then I pick a color. And what I try to do is just, I could technically put this picture over here and then like color drop it. But as an exercise, I like to see if I can just find the color myself. So it's giving more yellow. And I try to keep the colors consistent, and after I do one of them, I like to do the other one while I still have the color on my metaphorical paintbrush. just wanted to show you guys the finished product. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section. I will be back hopefully soon with another video. It'll probably be another studio vlog, except more in a traditional sense. In a later video, I'll be talking about the process of starting my business. I don't want to do that right now because I am not someone to follow when it comes to this type of things. At some point, I will happily tell people how I started my business, who is my manufacturer, what it is I do. Because I don't believe in gatekeeping as much as I can. So yeah, thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you guys next time, and